Hello everyone, hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys are all staying safe. So, I am a new mom, and as a new mom, I'm pretty clueless about a lot of things. Raising tiny little human being can't be easy, right? Anyway, I'm bothered about a lot of things. I worry a little bit too much sometimes, one of it being skin issues in babies. Yes, you heard it right. Skin issues in babies are a real thing, and I'm pretty sure a lot of parents out there can relate with me. Based on my very own experience, when my son Zachary was about a couple weeks old, he had really, really bad diaper rash. Okay, we have tried a lot of um, diaper cream, a lot, you just name it. We all probably almost had tried almost all of them. And eventually resorted to using zinc oxide. It works, but zinc oxide can be pretty drying. And to maintain the hydration, I had to apply baby lotion and baby oil. And it's a bit of a hassle, especially for a working mom, for a busy mom like myself. Until Joylee curated this latest Rejuvenate repair cream, and we've tried it for quite some time right now, and I'm in love with it. Okay, guys, it has a lot of natural ingredients. It's fragrance free, but it's very fragrant, and the fragrance that you get from the green tube right here is all natural. There's no artificial fragrance added. It's totally safe for your baby, 0% paraben, hypoallergenic, and steroid free. Okay, so obviously Zachary doesn't have diaper rash right now. What he has, he's teething, so he's salivating, so he has a lot of rashes along his cheek and mouth. So I applied a little bit of this cream when he goes for naps, when he goes to sleep at night, and it works wonder. Guys, please take my word for it. um, I have eczema as well. Okay, so I use this. I've resorted to using steroids, and obviously long-term steroids use are never good. So I've tried this and it works wonder. My skin has never feel hydrated as it is after I started using this lotion. Um, like I said, it smells very good, and these are all natural fragrance. There's a lot of good ingredients that was put into it, specially curated, specially formulated in Australia, and now it's being brought here, and I'm sharing it with you guys, the goodness of it. I love it. My son loves it. It works well for our skin. It works well for dry and sensitive skin, um, eczema, insect bites, diaper rash. It's an all around multi-purpose use of this lotion. So head on to their website and get yours now. Have a good day. Bye.